deep and hold it one. Only one. I was the lonely one. I was the only lonely one. Baby, rolling one. Make me live life one by one. Make me live one by one.
Just another day in the life, guys, of a swing trader, and today I'm going to show you how boring it is to be a swing trader, right? So first things first, I just want to see how my yesterday's trade played out. So I just have to go and see that is euro card, right? Euro card, I can see it's almost hitting my take profit over here. Actually, yesterday I did take my partial take profit. As you can see over here, I did write that partial take profit. So partial take profit was this zone over here, right? So that's what's up. I can see price almost hitting my take profit around let me see, around 28 pips to take profit, which is not bad. So that's what's up. The initial target was 131 pips, and of course price has already given us, let me see, price has already moved to our favor, to our direction, around 105 pips. All right, so that's what's up. And I'm just going to maybe see if I can analyze other pairs for today, and if I get something, the better, right? So should I explain why I did take this euro card? I don't know. Yeah, rather let me just explain this so fast. Right over here. So from the daily we can see that this is it. We can see that price was playing around this zone. That's our demand zone. Then we had a supply zone. All right, so that marked, of course, I had to go back to the daily now and try to see what was going on. Okay, now let's hit the H4, right? H4 right here, H4. Sorry, let me tell you something, or let me just show something. At the H4 we identified that price was somehow giving us an uptrend. All right, so look at this trend over here. We had that sort of an uptrend. Okay, so let's continue. And then also I had to identify certain zone over here which was somehow a flip zone. Okay, so let me mark that, and let me just remove some things over here. I don't want this chart to be somehow dirty. Okay, so with that, of course, I did identify this as a flip zone, the area that I just drawn some minutes ago. This zone over here, this is just flip zone. Okay, so from that, of course, I headed back to the H1. Now I was looking for my buy position. The reason why I was looking for my buy position is this. Let me just hit the H4 over here. We can see that price somehow respecting our trend line, giving us the first touch, second touch, and then remember the third touch we do execute. Right, we have our first touch over here, second touch, then now price did play around this zone over here. So the moment I saw that price has already started going up, then I hit H1. Right, now we have something we call trends within trends. Right, so I didn't identify that price was somehow creating new trends inside that our uptrend. Right, and look at this zone over here. When I draw this, I hope you can see that. Okay, I hope you can see that. So let me just do this. Now over here we also have some touches. We had the first, second, third. Let me just show you. We have this. Let's call that a touch, another touch, another touch, and another touch. All right, so those are just confluence to give us an indication that we was going up. But then look at this, price was also giving us some continuation pattern. Right, we see price is giving us a continuation correction. We have this impulse, correction, impulse. Now price is currently around this zone, so I identified this as a correction zone. So all I just had to do was wait for a break, and guess what, the market closed. It was Friday. Right, now when Monday came, of course I was anticipating for a pullback, around this trend line of ours, right, to give us now the third touch. I hope you guys can see that clearly. Now from that, of course, I just had to identify a zone that price playing around, then mark that. Of course, this is the zone over here that is now heading back to the 15. Let me show you that. Now at the 15, this is the zone. Now the moment price did break, then I did execute, right, making my stop loss below the previous zone over there, or the previous low. Look at that. This is the stop loss zone, right? So, and of course my take profit is now all the way up. The reason why my take profit was all the way up is this. We can see price gave us over here another touch, 1, 2. Then I was expecting that price should give me the third touch, second. Now this is the third. So I'm anticipating that price might try to hit that third touch, then now maybe try now to bounce off that zone, then go back to now the support, right? And that is how I anticipate this market will continue moving. So we can see that that's what's up, price moving nicely, and actually this trade did not take time. It played out nicely, and as you can see, it's playing out, it's still continuing playing out. I'm going to show you my meta trade of 5 actually. So let's continue. Now let's just try and analyze if you can see something that we can make good use of. Alright, let me just show, before that let me show something. I've just remembered something. Let me just show you how price is usually behaving, guys. You need to be keen. Let me just show you that. Alright, so look at this. We had upward movement, correction, upward movement. Of course now we expect correction, right? So let me just give you this move to the up. Alright, now if we look at this zone over here, this is the last move to the up. Right, this zone, if you copy this zone, it should somehow look like this zone, right? So let me just show you that. If we bring our bars pattern over here tool, then now take that zone from that, then make it around this zone. I hope you guys can see how that is looking so clear, right? So look at this. If I try to bring it around this zone, so you can see that market went up, this side it went up, then now came back in a certain continuation pattern or a correction. That's a bullish flag, right? So look at that. This zone over here somehow is looking like this. All right, now if you look at this zone, around this zone that price played around, look at this. Let me just make this. Look at this. Price also gave a certain type of a flag or a bullish continuation pattern, and this the same as this zone. Then it went up, then this is the same as this zone, it went up. Now price shot up, and you can see now price has already shot up. And guess what, now price somehow consolidating, and if you look at this zone, price did the same thing. Then now it's about to shoot up, and shoot up with one candlestick, then come back. That's how it behaves until it reaches our target. So if you bring that, you can see that's how the price behaving. And guess what, so I believe the next one will be this move to the down. So if you bring that, then now join like this, I believe this will now make sense. All right, this will now make sense. So if I take this, probably make this around this zone over here. Let me just do this, just a minute, and then do this. You can see some sort of a trend, right? You can see some sort of a trend or some sort of a pattern. So look at this. How nice is this? So it's just a matter of being keen and guys understanding what the market is doing. Remember, market sometimes do repeat itself, right? So we can see after an impulse we have a correction, impulse, correction, right? Look at that. Impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, some sort of correction. Then now the market now change direction, right? It's an impulse, probably correction, impulse. Now the market change direction to go up. I believe that is what the market will be trying to do. All right, so let's now start our day. Let's now start our daily analysis and see if we can get something, probably make some bread for the day. All right, so I have some joint over here. I have GBP Swiss franc that I believe I was still waiting to see if market can give me a pullback and make my buy entry, and I can see that it's somehow continuing to go up. So probably, I don't know, let me see what's happening at the 15. Okay, I can see that the market somehow is still in this resistance, and so I still believe that the market will come back. So just a matter of being patient. I'll just be patient and see the market maybe pulls back, and that is how, or that is when I should be taking my entry. And if that does not happen, then better luck next time, and I'll just have to do that the next day. So right here, I don't know, there's something over here also on GBP house. GBP house is also looking nice, and I believe maybe this is another trend within a trend. But let me just see what's happening at the 15. Looking good for buys, for scalping. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, that's what's up. So we had 1, 2, 3 attack. 1, 2, 3 attack. 1, 2, 3 attack. 1, 2, 3 attack. So this one looks nice for buys right now. But basically, I'm a swing trader, so I was expecting the price to move over here before I should take my buy entry position. So let me see. This one looks for buys. Looking great though. Right there. So maybe I should call this out for my scalper. Yeah, for my group there, my Telegram channel. I should call this out, and maybe those who are scalpers might get something out of this, right? So let me just hit my Telegram and maybe call out for that signal for only scalpers. Come on, baby. You gotta be kidding me. This market is crazy. It might move right now. Whoa, oh, there's news, whoa, there is news, dang, and that is what I believe is happening. Oh, come on, whoa, there's news, yeah, so we had employment change, GBP, come on, man, that's crazy. That was a close one, guys, that was a close one. That was a close one. There was a news, man. There was news. Even though there's news, man, I still believe it might go up. Though we shouldn't be trading the news. Oh, man. I forgot. So, let's just leave that. Let us just leave there. Right, so we will leave that because of that news. So we just cancel everything over here. Probably come back when everything is now more calm. Alright, so the reason why I wasn't going to take that buy into this, I'm a swing trader, guys, so I just need those great moves. So I just need that pullback over here. That is when now I should take my shot. Alright, but right over here you can also see that the market is giving us structures, trend lines, and then market is somehow the market is somehow respecting the trend line, right? And that's what's up. The market is somehow respecting the trend line. That's crazy. It might be a good buy entry for only scalpers, right? So let me see if I can get something. So now I'll just fast forward everything on. Let me just get back to my analysis, and I will be back. Alright gang, so as you can see, that's what's up. Now you just have to do the waiting. Patience, so we just have to make sure that we let price come to us and make decisions according to what the market will be telling us that time, not currently at that time. Okay, so just have to wait. And I don't have many pairs today because I just couldn't see good structures or good patterns that the market was trying to give. So let me see, Euro Aussie, I can see Euro Aussie most probably that's about to play out, and the rest might take time before they give me something. Alright, so that's what's up. It's all about being patient again, all about being patient. Let me show you something on Euro card, gang. Let me show you something on Euro card. Before it did play out, actually, I did document that as usual. So right about now, right here, Euro card, where you are, baby? Right, so here's the Euro card. You can see I did take that entry yesterday, October 23rd. The reason why I did take the entry is here. We have price in an uptrend and forming continuation patterns over here, right? Price broke out of the bullish continuation pattern. This is what I'm talking about. Then price came back to the new trend line that it was forming. This is the trend line that I'm talking about. Then decided to take an early buy in. You can see this is final. Alright, so that's what's up. As we wait for the market to play out, let's do something. Alright, let's do something over here.
I don't want go back, no. Feelings in a box. You make me go nuts. You make me want everything that I will never hold. You find me like the devil. You make me wanna settle. Call your name and I may not get stressed, so I get high. Call you diamonds, I'm in pain, your pain, yeah. No, call you diamonds, I'm in pain, your pain. It's not raining on the other side, so I wrote you a lullaby. You hurt me a million times, but I hurt you 100 times. Many cities crazy. You make me go crazy. You make me feel like 1,000 niggas done betray me. Even though I'm G, baby, you make me feel baby. All this shit fugazi, they love me, then they hate me. This is test of patience, young nigga, I'll be okay, yeah. Hey, this hit in my blood, hey. Every you can break me, that's just how we made. You can't find me acting shady. That's just how we made. You can't find me acting shady. Feelings in a box. You make me go nuts. You make me want everything that I will never hold. You find me like the devil. You make me wanna settle. Call your name and I may not get stressed, so I get high. Call you diamonds, I'm in pain, your pain.
Copy that.
That's just how we made. You can't find me acting shady. That's just how we made. You can't find me acting shady. That's just how we made. You can't find me acting shady. I don't want go back, no. Feelings in no box. You make no. Feelings in no box, no. Want me acting shady. Feelings, want me acting shady. No. Feelings in no box. Feelings in no box. You make me go nuts. You make me want everything that I will never hold. You for me like the devil, you make me wanna settle. Call your name and I may not get stressed, so I get high. Call you diamonds, I'm in pain, your pain, yeah. No, call you diamonds, I'm in pain, your pain. It's not raining on the other side, so I wrote you a lullaby. You hurt me a million times, but I hurt you 100 times. Many cities crazy. You make me go crazy. You make me feel like 1,000 niggas done betray me. Even though I'm G, baby, you make me feel baby. All this shit fugazi, they love me, then they hate me. This is test of patience, young nigga, I'll be okay, yeah. Hey, this hit in my blood, hey. Every you can break me, that's just how we made. You can find me acting shady. That's just how we made. You can find me acting shady. Feelings in a box, you make me go nuts. You make me want everything that I will never hold. You find me like the devil, you make me wanna settle. Call your name and I may not get stressed, so I get high. Call you diamonds, I'm in pain, your pain, yeah. No, call you diamonds, I'm in pain, your pain. It's not raining on the other side, so I wrote you a lullaby. It's not raining on the other side, so I wrote you a lullaby.
Stranger.
Girl, you're turning to me number one. Remember, my heart will tell the only one. You were sipping on me for your feet. Only one. Only one. Only one. Only one. Only one. 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 Only one. Remember me. Girl, you're turning to me number one. Remember me. Girl, you're turning my heart, you are the only one. You are so famous, you can have me for your biggest fan. I am your baby, you're me mommy, I will never, never, I'll never give up on your love, me don't feel a gun. Give me baby, see me baby, me don't fear no plan. So give me baby, see me baby. I'll never give up on your love. I'll never give up on your love.
Only one, baby. Roll it up and roll it on, circle down.
Girl, you turn into me number one. Remember my heart, you are the only one. You are so famous, you can have me for your biggest fan. I am your baby, you're my mommy, I will never run. Stranger, you turn into me number one. Remember my heart, you are the only one. You are so famous, you can have me for your biggest fan. I am your baby, you're my mommy, I will never, never, I'll never give up on your love, me don't feel a gun. Give me baby, see me baby, me don't fear no plan. So stranger, you turn into my number one. Remember my heart, you are the only one. You are so famous, you can have me for your biggest one. I am a baby, I'm mommy, I will never run. I'll never give up on your love, me don't fear no gun. Give me baby, see me baby, see me only one. Only one, baby. Roll it deep and hold it one. The only one, only one, only one. I was the only one. I was the only one. Second time, baby, roll it one. Make me live life one by one. Make me live one by one, one by one, by one, by one, one by one, by one, by one, by one, one by one, one by one, one by one, by one, one by one, by one, by one. Let me tell you again, girl, my only one. You are the only one. You are the only one. Circle down with me, roll it one. Make me roll it one. Make me live life one by one. I feel live life one by one, 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 by one, by one, by one, one by one, one by one, one by one.
It is what it is. Come to papi, baby. I don't know. Is there news out? Oh, we have news about euro. I don't know. HCOB. And I can see it's somehow having a high impact. Dang. I don't know if we should take this giant right here. But we can see that the market is somehow trying to behave as anticipated, and then our alert is almost being triggered in. So I just want to see the next 21 minutes. I want to see this 1 hour bullish engulfing candlestick, which is the Marubuzu. I want to see how it closes or how it's going to behave around this neckline of ours, back double top. All right, so if it closes the way it is, that it's bearish, then we should be executing. I don't know about that news, maybe it's fingers crossed, but I shouldn't be trading news either way. So see you on the other side, gang.